afternoon to all respected teachers and my dear friends. Now here I am there for explaining a cube minus b cube. As you can see that here I am having a cube. Now you all might be thinking, why is this cube in my hand? Here I have taken 4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and I have named it as A. Now in this figure if you will see, it is A. So overall it comes as A cube. Now we have to show A cube minus B cube. First of all, let us dismantle this. As you have seen, I have colored it differently here. Black, orange, this is yellow and this is pink. Now if I will dismantle this figure, I will get 4 different figures. First one is this, is a black color figure. In this figure, as you can see here, I have taken 4 units, that is A. It is known as, it is 1, that is B, and it is 3. So as A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 1, so if we take 3, that is A minus B. That's why 3 units form as A minus B. So here what we get? A into B into A minus B. So here it comes as AB whole A minus B. Now in next figure if you will see that in this orange colored figure it is 1 unit, so it's B and B, and here I have taken 3, that is A minus B and it is B square. So here I will get B square and A minus B. Now in this figure, what is this? It is 1, 1 and 1, so it is known as B cube. Now, in this at last figure, what I will get that here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, but here it's 3. So what does this mean? This means that it is A square A minus B. So, but we have known that this whole figure is A cube and we have to subtract this, that is the B cube. So if you subtract this one from this whole dismantled figure, then we will get only these 3 figures. So we can conclude by this that A cube minus B cube is equal to AB A minus B plus B square A minus B, we have to erase it, and plus A square A minus B. So at last what's the conclusion? A minus B will take as a common because these 3 are commons, and again in one bracket it is AB plus B square plus A square. So thereby we can conclude that A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B whole into AB plus B square plus A square. Thank you.